Today class is about fundamentals of testing. Topic name, agenda. Software testing, overview, purpose and AMP, objective. Benefits of software testing, facts, figure and AMP, defect origin. Key challenges. Testing methodologies, levels/types/others. Key methodologies, QC role/metrics. Skills required. Case study. Summary and key points to remember. Question and AMP, answers.
Topic name, software testing overview. Why? To verify the expectation of customer requirements. What? To explore boundaries of not yet discovered errors. Benefit? Assures the reliability and quality of the developed application. Topic name, software testing, myths. Testing is the process of demonstrating that defects are not present in the application that was developed. Testing is the activity or process which shows or demonstrates that a program or system performs all intended functions correctly. Testing activities start from the starting of any project. Some technologically advanced tool or method will provide a magic answer to the software crisis. Topic name, why is testing important? Testing is important because software bugs could be expensive or even dangerous. In 1994 in Scotland, a Chinook helicopter crashed and killed all 29 passengers. While initially the pilot was blamed for the crash, they realized there was evidence that a systems error had been the actual cause. A bug in the code controlling the Therac 25 radiation therapy machine was directly responsible for at least 5 patient deaths in the 1980s when it administered excessive quantities of X-rays. Topic name, what is software testing? For example, you are using an ATM machine, instead of giving 10,000 rupees machine gives you only 1,000 rupees. This means there is a defect in the ATM machine and it was not properly tested. Topic name, what is software testing? Explore the diagram with an example of ATM machine. This signifies customer requirements which has to be designed and developed by software engineers. Topic name, what happens, if not tested? Testing is to check if the software system meets the requirements. List of items. Risks for not testing a software before delivering it to the client are as follows. Cost will increase. Customer dissatisfaction. Damage to reputation. Loss of business/customer. Product failure. Loss of market share. Downtime. Legal liability. Topic name, what is software testing? Testing is giving various input to the system and checking the expected output. This is testing one scenario in ATM machine. Explore the process flow of the diagram. Topic name, purpose of software testing. To know most of the defects before really assess so that they will not get reported from the client. To increase our confidence in the proper functioning of the software. When the software is relatively bug-free, then increases the confidence and reliability in the software. Rack the requirements. To meet the client's expectations. To quantify the quality of the software product. Topic name, objective of software testing. Finding bugs in programs. Determining user acceptability. Ensuring that a system is ready for use. Understanding the limits of performance. Learning what a system is not able to do. Evaluating the capabilities of a system. Verifying documentation. Checking the program against the specifications. Topic name, testing versus quality assurance. Quality assurance is the process of making sure that the customers gets enough of what they pay for to satisfy their needs. Testing is the means by which we perform the process. Testing can be done without assuring quality due to limitations faced while testing, but quality can't be assured without testing. The best way to assure quality is to create a process that emphasizes testing and review at all points in the process. including the process itself. Understanding test types, phases and tools can help you plan and name, testing and quality. Quality assurance and quality control. Quality assurance, a set of process and practices which will enable us prevent defects from occurring. Its preventative measure. Quality control, a set of activity or practices that enable us to check the product for defects and correct them. Its corrective measure. Testing falls under quality control category. QC is done after the product is built and mostly reworking of finished product. Topic name, defect origin. Insufficiently understood requirements, 50%. Design not understood or incorrectly translated from requirements, 30%. Coding, programming error or misunderstood design, 20%. Topic name, key challenges. Software systems are getting more complex beyond human intuition. Exhaustive testing is simply impossible. Topic name, what is software testing? When we are testing something we are checking if it's okay. Consider driving test. Examiner critically assess the candidate's driving, noting every mistake done by the driver under test. At the end, examiner makes the judgment about the driver's performance. Examiner bases the judgment on the number and severity of failures identified. Topic name, phases of testing, what is involved? Gaining an understanding of the objects to be tested. Understanding testing methodologies. Deciding how the objects should be tested. Planning tests. Preparing the test cases. Running and checking the test cases. Reporting any anomalies for investigation. Topic name, test planning. Preparation of test plans. Track test requirements. Hardware requirements. Software requirements. Resource requirements. Testing types. Tools. Track effort. Track scope. Track schedule. Track risk. Topic name, test methodologies. Dynamic testing, testing software through executing it. Static testing, sad face review, analysis of a program carried out without executing the program. Topic name, test methodologies. Cond. Dynamic methodologies consists of structural testing, white box testing. Structural tests verify the structure of the software itself and require complete access to the object's source code. This is known as white box testing because the internal workings of the code can be seen. Functional testing, black box testing. Functional tests examine the observable behavior of software as evidenced by its outputs without reference to internal functions. Hence, black box testing, as the internal working of the code can't be seen. Topic name, structural testing. What? Testing that takes into account the internal mechanism of a system or component. It is white box testing. How? Preparing unit test cases against project documents. By executing the unit test cases, which may involve checking the code as per coding standard or the logic of code, etc. Techniques. Statement coverage. The test cases are designed to execute statements. Branch coverage. The test cases are designed to execute branches. Topic name, functional testing. What? It is to test that packages, groups of clusters of classes, meet external requirements and achieve goals as specified by the client. It is performed by doing black box testing. Black box testing includes unit testing, integration testing, system testing, user acceptance testing, regression testing, etc. How? By executing the test cases existing of unit, integration, system, user acceptance, regression test cases, etc. By executing checklists of common errors of controls, standards, GUI checklists, etc. Topic name, tester psychology. Suppose you are going to cook a meal to enter in a competition. You select a menu, collect the ingredients, cook the food, set the table and praise yourself for cooking such great food. To enter in a competition. You select a menu, collect the ingredients, cook the food, set the table and praise yourself for cooking such great food. But imagine judges evaluating the meal. They look for aroma/flavor, if all the ingredients are cooked properly, keeping time in mind, how you have garnished, etc. They would be in the position to find faults and errors you made while cooking. Similarly, testing the software requires a different mind. Topic name: Tester psychology. Desired quality needed in testers. Keen observation. Detective skills. Destructive creativity. Understanding product as integration of its parts. Customer-oriented perspective. Cynical but affable attitude. Organized, flexible and amp, patience at job. Objective and amp, neutral attitude. Undesired tester qualities. Aggressive, testers should not exhibit superiority and try enforcing their point of view, instead should rather be politely convincing. Docile and withdrawing, should not give in for lack of confidence to convince. Topic name: Test types. Functional testing. Structural testing. Non-functional testing. Topic name: Test types. Functional testing means testing the application for its functionality without knowing how the programmer has implemented the code. It's also known as black box testing. Topic name: Types of functional testing. Explore the diagram. Topic name: Test types. Structural testing is an approach where the tests are derived from the knowledge of the software structure or internal implementation. It's also known as white box testing. For example, considering a mechanic testing the car. He checks for engine or gearbox which are internal to the car. Topic name: Test types. Non-functional testing is testing the performance of the system. It is the testing of how well or how fast the system works. For example, considering testing car for its non-functional requirements. It is tested if it's easy to use/repair, fuel efficiency, and its performance. Like mileage, engine size and capacity, know of passenger and cargo space, etc. Topic name: Types of non-functional testing. Explore the diagram. Topic name: Types of functional testing. Positive testing, testing the application's functions with valid input and also verifying that the outputs are correct. A negative test for the printing function might be to disconnect the printer from the computers while a document is printing. Negative testing, testing the application's functions with valid input. Topic name: Test levels. Unit testing. Integration testing. System testing. Acceptance testing. Topic name: Unit testing. Testing the components of a software program in isolation, verifies the functioning of software that are separately testable. For example, your mom is cooking a meal, so she examines the vegetable first and choose the right ingredients, so the end food must be tasty, else it will be hard for her to tell which ingredient spoilt the food. Similarly, in software world, a program is made up of many little pieces. Unit testing is making sure that each of those pieces does what it is supposed to do. Both functional and structural approach is used. Include specific non-functional testing also, e.g. memory leaks, code coverage, etc. Topic name: Integration testing. Integration testing is used to test the interface between components or systems, interaction to different parts of a system such as operating system, file system and hardware. Example: while cooking, your mom checks the taste, aroma after each ingredients are added and makes necessary changes. Similarly, after each software component is integrated to other, we do integration testing for the combined module. Topic name: Unit and integration testing. To understand H&SS integration testing in software terms. Example: consider password change option in Gmail. Lot of functions would be written such as function X to check if the password entered is in right format. Function Y to update the password in the back end, function Z to password, does function Z send an email, etc. Integration tests would check the entire flow. When the user enters a new password and clicks on the OK button, is the password changed in the database and does he get a confirmation email? Topic name: System testing. System testing is used to verify the working of the whole system altogether. E.g., after all the cooking is done, your mom serves the food and you taste it and let her know if the food is cooked properly. Here you are the tester who is testing the quality of the food. Similarly, system testing is done by the tester to find out if the end product meets software requirements. Topic name: System testing. To understand system testing in software terms. Example: consider complete Gmail application. Lot of modules are integrated like login module, inbox, compose mail, delete functionality, etc. System tests would check the entire system like log into the system, trying to change the password. Forgot password functionality, inbox, compose mail, delete mails, reading the mails, replying to the mail, etc. Acceptance testing. Acceptance testing is to ensure products will meet user expectations when they are released. Example: during the process of manufacturing a ballpoint pen, the cap, the body, the tail, and clip, the ink cartridge and the ballpoint are produced separately, and when the complete pen is integrated and system tested, at last acceptance testing is performed so as to confirm that the ballpoint pen is ready to be made available to the end users. Types of acceptance testing: alpha testing, beta testing. Thank you. Contact us, info@H&SSolutions.com +1 647624310 www.H&SSolutions.com. info@HNSSglobal.com +1 22697581143 www.HNSSglobal.com.